There are do-it-yourself kits available for making a door kick-in proof, and they can provide a straightforward way to strengthen entry points without specialist tools. A good kit will include a heavy-duty strike plate that is at least 1/4 inch thick and long screws of 3 inches, so the screws anchor into the wall framing rather than just the jamb. Use a screwdriver or driver bit to drive those screws through the strike plate and into the framing at each screw location, tightening until snug but not stripping the hole. Look for reinforcement devices that wrap or plate the jamb and hinge area to distribute force across a wider surface, and follow the kit instructions to mark and drill pilot holes for those plates to avoid splitting wood. If the kit includes a reinforced deadbolt or latch upgrade, choose a bolt with a minimum 1 inch of throw and ensure the bolt fully extends into the strike pocket when engaged, testing with the door closed and locked. Many kits provide longer hinge screws or hinge plates. Replace at least 1 hinge screw on each hinge with a 3-inch screw driven into the stud to resist shear under force. Verify the kit fits your door by measuring door thickness, backset, and jamb width before buying, and choose kits that offer clear dimensional charts and step-by-step photos and torque specifications so you can match parts to your door. Finally, plan for a single afternoon of work, have a set of chisels, a drill with appropriate bits, a center punch, and clamps, and work one component at a time, checking alignment and operation before moving on. Common mistakes include trusting short screws that only bite into the jamb wood, which still allows separation from framing, so replace at least the strike and hinge screws with 3-inch screws and verify they anchor into framing. Another issue is incompatible parts where plates or bolts do not match the door thickness or backset, which causes binding, so always measure door thickness, backset, and jamb width and compare to the kit specifications before purchase, and test fit components dry before final fastening. A third frequent problem is overfilling screw holes or stripping fasteners during installation, so use correct pilot hole sizes given in the instructions, back out and re-drill at a slightly larger pilot if needed, and avoid over-tightening by stopping when the part is snug and the screw head is flush. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting people with similar projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange experiences, ask questions, and share practical tips about security upgrade kits and installation techniques.